You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this test, often known as the WISE for Adult Intelligence Scale. Now, the German name in German is originally pronounced as Wechsler, okay? Wechsler Test. Now, in English, the W is not pronounced like a V, which it is in German. So, the most common English pronunciation is Wechsler, okay? So, you retain the CH as a K, Wechsler, but pronounce the W like a W, Wechsler, or if you want to make it sound more German, Wechsler, or WISE as in W-A-I-S, Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale Test. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.